Welcome back to our channel. Yeezy 350 MX Rock. 25,200 only. The Adidas Yeezy Boost MX Rock features a marbled black, grey, and brown pre-magnet upper styled in a pattern similar to the Yeezy MX Ode, only with dark tones. In signature fashion, a cushion boost sole, heel tab, and mesh side stripe complete the design. Yeezy 350 Blue Tint. 21,600 only. Like its OG release in 2017, the signature icy blue colorway is releasing in identical fashion. A light blue hue is seen across the sneaker's entirety, slightly tinting the interconnected pre-magnet pattern. Red Sply 350 branding appears on the stripe, followed by a series of red dots across the heel tab. Underfoot, a boost midsole completes the design. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OGX Maniére. 29,750 only. The Air Jordan A Maniére features a premium cracked leather upper with burgundy reptilian textural leather collars and swooshes. Subscribe for more.